Before the whining, before the feathers, before the iron and the drum, Carnival started far away, but it find it home in the Caribbean sun. Long time ago in Italian land, Venice city with the mask and the gown so grand, aristocrat hiding face in the night, dancing in palace by candlelight. France had Mardi Gras before Lent starts. Rich people festival, fine clothes and arts, but behind the mask everybody said king and servant play the same game. But across the sea another story right, drum and spirit in the African night. People in chain but the spirit still free. They bring that rhythm across the sea. From mask to mask, from chain to freedom, from Yoruba to Caribbean kingdom. Drum meet fiddle, fire meet sun. Old world, new world become one. From Venice mask to Orishas crown, we turn the whole world upside down. Carnival now for everyone. Freedom day when the roads start to run. Hey. Yoruba drum and the Orisha call. Shango fire make the whole world fall. Ogun iron warrior and Ocean river blessing the land. They take we name, they take we tongue, but they never stop we drum from run. So when emancipation finally come, we beat the band and the drum and run. Hey! When Cambule burn, St. Lucia, Grenada take turn. Cup over Barbados join the call. Brazil, Rio build the biggest of all. Steelpan born from oil drum steel. Turn oppression into music we feel. Feather, bead, wire and glue. Mass camp night till morning dew. No more stiff and pump is close. We wear we ancestor strength and pose. Armband, headpiece, warrior crown. When Carnival come, no king wear crown. Lion, mace and rich or poor, everybody equal on the road for sure. One thing still we never ignore, honor and pride from shore to shore. From Africa drum to Europe mass, Caribbean people finish the task. Turn pain to art, turn chain to song, turn suffering into something strong. Now the whole world jump and play. London, Toronto, Miami, LA, but the spirit still from long ago, when the freedom drum start to roll. Hey! Carnival not just fete, Carnival is history. Carnival is freedom. Carnival is we story.